do you think it's a taboo topic to talk about male infertility?
I think it's gotten better with awareness. I have a family member that kind of wasn't pleased with my decision to tell people about my reproductive issues. I was a little offended by that, but at the same time, she's from a different generation, and I totally get it, but I just chose to be the one to talk about it so other people would.
It's more open now. I remember I wrote in my first book for the layman in 1979, so I don't think you were even born yet. But it was in 1979.
I wasn't even a glimmer. No.
That's conceived at the time.
There you go.
And I wrote in the book about this anecdote that I saw a couple, and the man was really big and powerful. I mean, he was really bigger and stronger looking than you. And I tried to explain to him that he had a really low sperm count. And he looked forward at me like that, and I kind of got a little intimidated. What do you mean my sperm count's low? Well, I didn't mean to be offensive, I have to say.
What are you trying to say? Yeah.
But no, now it's so great that men can be open about it. Because really, 40% of the cases of infertility, we see a low sperm count.
Yeah. I think it's just, you ask on that taboo of things. I think when it comes to, sex and children, I think it's something that people take as a very personal issue, but I don't think it is, because once your children are born, it's like, it's a barrage of showing off these beautiful creations that you have. So I think even the process leading up to it, problems or no problems, it's still, I think it should be more accepted. I mean, we accept so many other situations in society that probably should not be out in the open, and I think this is one that should be, because it will lead to success. So I hope if there is a strong taboo, and depending on what area you're living in, I hope that would be squashed in the future, so more men and women can seek out these types of treatments.
It used to be the low sperm count was the worst possible prognosis. And since ICSI in 1992, well, really he didn't publish it to 1993, I love it. I mentioned earlier, I love it because, ironically, the lower the sperm count, the higher the pregnancy rate. Weird. But here's why. So, if the sperm count is higher, like not so great, but 20 million or 30 million, then there's a better chance from a just population point of view that it's a female issue.
Mm-hmm.
And you don't know, but the lower the sperm count, the more clear cut it's a male issue, and we absolutely can solve that with ICSI in virtually any case of male infertility.
Wow.
And so therefore it's much less likely your eggs are going to be problematic, because we have a clear cause here with the low sperm count.
Which is good. We didn't go through, I think we made the right choice. Just
Yeah,
go
right.
straight to the,
Yeah.